everyone, I'm Abigail Broyles. I'm with the Admissions Department at Tusculum University, and today I'll be walking you through our application process guides. Go to the Tusculum University website, tusculum.edu. Click Apply in the upper right-hand corner. Here you can choose either the undergraduate or graduate application and click Apply Now. Log into your existing account or create a new one if this is your first time. When creating a new account, enter your email address, full name, and birthday. You will receive a temporary PIN in the email address you entered. Enter the PIN. You can now create a new password following the rules on your screen. Once you submit your password, you will reach the application management page. Start a new application and select the application type you want. Click Open Application to begin. You can fill out your application in any order using the links on the left side of the application page. Items with red asterisks are required, but please fill out any additional information you would like us to know. Tusculum requires all first-time students to submit their application form and their high school transcript with their grades through at least junior year. The transcript must also include the student's name and school's name in order to be used for an evaluation. Students can submit unofficial copies of their transcript for provisional acceptance, but acceptance requires that students order their official transcript be sent to admission@tusculum.edu. Transfer students must list all their previous institutions in the academic history section of the application. Test scores are not required for traditional undergraduate admission, but are encouraged for class placement. An ACT score of 27 is required for those interested in joining the honors program. Remember that you will be confirming that you have not plagiarized, lied, or used AI in your application on the Honor Pledge and Confirmation page. You may save the progress of your application at any time through the Review page. Simply log back in and continue working on your application. You can change the type of application by clicking on your started application and selecting another application type before opening it. When you are ready to submit, click Submit Application and the Confirmation button on the Review page. After completing your application, you will see the status of your application, whether or not your application is complete and transcripts have been received. Tusculum University requires all first-time students to submit the application form and their high school transcript with their grades through at least junior year. The transcript must also include the student's name and school's name in order to be used for an evaluation. Students can submit unofficial copies of their transcript for provisional acceptance, but full acceptance requires that students order or request their final official transcripts be sent to admission@tusculum.edu. Once you have uploaded all your files, everything you need to complete your application is listed right here in your application account. We look forward to receiving your application. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the admissions office at admission@tusculum.edu or call 423-636-7312. Our goal is to help you every step of the way. We appreciate your interest in Tusculum University and your desire to join our community.